Hi there, I have an Ikea Renodlad integrated dishwasher. It's continuously beeping, filling up with water and showing error code 30. I have turned the main switch/electricity and left off for over 30 minutes as some sites suggest, but when switching back on it's still the same.
What happened just before your IKEA dishwasher displayed this message?
It occurred first thing this morning after we put it on a cycle last night.
How long has this been going on with your IKEA dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
First time this has happened, it's not even 30 days old.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I'm aware of.
Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now and will post back with your reply momentarily. I30 error code means water has leaked into the base of the dishwasher and activated the flood switch. If you are looking at fixing this yourself, then you need to unplug the dishwasher and remove the wooden plinth at the bottom of your kitchen. Then from there you will see a metal cover below the door. Remove this and then from there you will see the workings under there. You will see water in the base tray, so use a sponge and soak the water up and dry the base. Once dry, the flood switch will reset itself, so turn the dishwasher back on and the error code will clear. Then set it going on a wash and see how it goes from there. Fingers crossed it's a one-off overfill, which can happen on dishwasher. But if it does it again, then there is something leaking under there, and for this you need to remove the dishwasher from under the unit and remove both side panels and check the hoses from there. So try that if you can and see how it goes from there, as the .30 error code means water has leaked into the base of the dishwasher.
Thanks, this evening and report back.
No worries, hopefully you can sort it from there.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.